TwinDos with two-phase dispensing, the best liquid detergent system available. TwinDos is an integrated automatic dispensing system for liquid detergent components. Automatic dispensing cuts detergent use by up to 30%. Used in combination with Miele's two-phase dispensing system, Ultraphase 1 and 2, it also achieves the very best washing results. Ultraphase 1 contains the base detergent and Ultraphase 2 the detergent enhancer. Miele TwinDos dispenses exactly the right amount of liquid detergent for the nature of the load. Phase 1 is dispensed first. Phase 2 then follows later in the wash process. This staggered dispensing ensures that the ingredients are used as best as possible and have the maximum effect. As such, Miele offers the best liquid detergent system on the market, for coloured and white fabrics alike. TwinDos adjusts the blend of the two phases to the colour of the garments. In a white wash, it dispenses half Ultraphase 1 and half Ultraphase 2. If a coloured wash is selected, it dispenses 2/3 Ultraphase 1 and 1/3 Ultraphase 2. TwinDos with two-phase dispensing, the best liquid detergent system available.